Welcome to a video by Abron Export. This is a Soxhlet apparatus. This has a boiling flask, one chamber, this condenser, another is a alien condenser. There are three parts, and this particular model is a capacity of 2000 ml flask with a 1000 ml of Soxhlet, and condenser is above. The rubber tube has to be attached to this to cool these condensers, and we are giving with the standard heating element, and each one, now this one is a 1000 ml flask, this is 500 ml flask, this is 200 ml flask. So these are all to be attached. Here we are showing you the thimble. It is not a part of the instrument. Thimble can be placed here, it can go here, and then you can put it like this, and then this works when you can open all these parts. You can open these sections, you can then put the chemicals and the thing to instrument to be distilled, and then you have to attach it here, attach it to on the back side. We have provided this stand is there. It has a rod. Here we have the boss head clamp and boss head. Special condenser clamp is there. This is a heating and heating mantle. We have a separate video. And this one is a distillation. The water is cool water is to go from the bottom, and then it goes out from the top. The water should go slowly. When you have to attach it, press it thoroughly inside it so that it goes properly to the maximum bottom, because I am not pushing it, so that once it goes out it is difficult to take out. It is only for demonstration. And this I am not running it, because once the shapes are maintained, this is a heating fiber with the heater inside, so this maintains the shape. So then after once it is used, it becomes little blackish, and then the shape is maintained. The stand and everything is provided. We have the models which are different models are there, smaller to bigger one, and we have got this one is a single unit. This one is one item. This is a single item. This one is a single item. The single unit. We have got multiple with the 3 units of the same size, and 6 units also. Distillation sets are also available with us. For distillation, Gelda's apparatus is also used. This for distillation and digestion is also there, similar to this. This one is a Soxhlet apparatus. There are 4 different items. A buyer is asking in the foreign country. 1 setup, 2nd setup, 3rd setup, and 4th setup. This we are giving it as free sometime in this particular model. And these thimbles are to be, they have bought the thimble separately, but this needs the separate thimble as per the requirement. And this is separatable. Please be careful. This has to be there. The Quicfit locking is there. Once you have to fit it, you should hold it, all glass parts very carefully, then fit with the stand, then it holds, then there is no problem. After this, attached to the water, and then it should be taken hold very carefully. Heating instruments as per the manuals and as per our emails. This is our email, abron01@gmail.com. info@abronexports.com is our another email. Our website is abronexports.com, and WhatsApp number is 99922222049. Another is 9416020018. We supply in India as well as exports. This is going to foreign country, to some countries, and we are sending all regular items, all pharmacy items, all heating instruments, all research instruments are available with us. Please share the videos, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.